In this video, I'm going to be replacing this leaf spring mounting bracket on the driver's side, but the process is the same for both sides. It's located at the back of the leaf spring. I'm going to start by removing this bolt with a 21mm socket. The nut has a tab that holds it on, so you don't have to worry about holding the nut. Looks like the breaker bar is working. With the nut still on here and the bolt unthreaded most of the way, I'm going to use my air hammer and just try to drive this bolt through. Okay, let's unthread it from the nut. Next, I'm going to put some support under here and raise the leaf spring pack up with the whole axle and everything. And that should hopefully raise up that shackle back there and allow me to work. Now there are some rivets here that we have to cut off. There are 4. I'm going to start by cutting this one. I'm not going to cut it off completely. What I'm going to do is put an X in it and then use my air chisel and break it off. And I'm going to do this to all 4. And now I'll just do the same to the other 3. There it goes. There's the old bracket. One thing we still have to do is to punch out the old rivets out of the frame because the new bracket comes with bolts. Now take your new piece. I cleaned up a little bit here and put a rust protective coating on so the frame doesn't rust any more than it already did. So now just put the bolts through. I'm going to start the nuts on these 2 bolts on the other side. I'm not going to tighten them, I just want to start them so that this is actually mounted here and secured and will actually stay in place. Now with a 17mm socket on the bolt side and a 17 socket on the nut side, I'm just going to snug these up for now. I'm not going to tighten them fully yet, I just want to bring them close. Once they're all close, then I'll go around and fully tighten them all. This one I'm going to have to do the other way. Hold this with a wrench, tighten the nut side. That's fine. For now, I'm just going to snug the rest of these up. Now I'm going to lower my support here, and therefore lower the suspension and line up the leaf spring shackle with that bracket. And I'll send that bolt right through. I greased up the shank of the bolt here. On the other side, I'll attach the nut. Make sure that it's nice and tight. Right there. I'm happy with that. Just do your best to tighten it, but obviously don't over tighten it. Just use a long ratchet, make it snug. And there you go. Now take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.